Venkatesh Rajasekaran Iyer is an Indian cricketer who plays for Madhya Pradesh and Kolkata Knight Riders. If you love this video to the end, then don't forget subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more updates. Venkatesh Iyer's biography. Real name, Venkatesh Rajasekaran Iyer. Nickname, Venky. Occupation, Indian cricketer all-rounder. Ethnicity, Asian, Indian. Zodiac signs, Capricorn. Date of birth, December 25, 1994. Age 26 years. Place of birth, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Nationality, Indian. Religion, Hinduism. Education, St. Paul Higher Secondary School, Indore. College University, Institute of Management Studies, DAVD University, Indore. Qualification, B.Com degree. Net worth, $1 to $5 million. Venkatesh Iyer's physical stats. Body types, athletic. Height, 6'0" inches, in feet inches, 1.82 m. Weight, in kilogram 86 kg approx. Eye color, dark brown. Hair color, black. Venkatesh Iyer's family details. Father Rajasekaran Iyer. Mother Usha Iyer. Venkatesh Iyer's cricketer career. Batting style, left-handed bat. Bowling style, right arm medium. Playing role, batting all-rounder. Records, main ones. Highest runs scored in a List A game. Domestic career, Venkatesh made his 2020 debut for Madhya Pradesh in March 2015, against Railways. He has played quite endearingly in his debut match. He made his List A debut against the Saurashtra cricket team at Saurashtra Cricket Association Stadium in December 2015. Venkatesh did exceptionally well in this match. He struggled for 3 years and got an opportunity to play red ball cricket against Hyderabad. He made his first-class debut for Madhya Pradesh in 2018-2019 in the Ranji Trophy on December 6, 2018. Venkatesh didn't get the opportunity to bat. In the 2020-2021 Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy, he scored a lot of runs in just 5 matches. He scored a lot of runs in Vijay Hazare Trophy in 2021, making it his best performance. In February 2021 he was bought by Kolkata Knight Riders in Indian Premier League auctions. Venkatesh Iyer's unknown facts. He is left-hand batsman. He plays for the Indian team. Venkatesh was playing all-rounder in Team India. He scored his maiden IPL 50 against Mumbai Indians on September 23, 2021. Recently he made his IPL debut against Royal Challengers Bangalore on September 20, 2021. He made his debut in 2020 against the Railways cricket team at Holkar Stadium in March 2015. He is from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Venkatesh Iyer misses double 100 by 2 runs in Vijay Hazare Trophy. Venkatesh was also the part of Kolkata Knight Riders in IPL 2021. T20's debut on March 25, 2015 in match of Madhya Pradesh vs Railways at Indore. Venkatesh Iyer's house address. Venkatesh Iyer lives in a luxurious house which is located in Indore, Madhya Pradesh.